trying to record a video and the siren keeps going off. So I thought if you can't beat them, join them. Stop in a second. There we go. So my name's Andy Roberts and I'd like to welcome you to the Songwriters Circle, the start of another monthly challenge where a small group of committed participants, songwriters and aspiring songwriters, are going to work together and on their own at undertaking a small task every day, it should be said, a songwriting task, to get in the habit of always producing, always working on something. Instead of sitting around waiting for inspiration, we're going to say, no, every day we're going to write a song or start a song, finish an old one, try something different, change one around, variations on a theme. And it's amazing how it builds up. Last year in January there were dozens and dozens of some really good songs produced, and people doing the first thing they'd ever finished, or not knowing that they ever had it in them to write a song before. And that's what we can do through this method. This year it's going to be a small group of people in a private area. This solves the problem of people not liking sharing their music or their part work that's open to the public, open to Google, open to anybody. And so we build a little bit of trust amongst a small group of people who are willing to constructively criticise each other's work, and that helps build confidence and encouragement and really gets things going. So I hope you'll join us. We'll be doing it on a private area on our own website this year at songwriterscircle.co.uk. But it's open to the whole world. That's just the name of the domain. Yeah, find the songwriterscircle.co.uk website and you'll see stuff. It's either called the January challenge or the challenge, this month's challenge. Find the button to sign up. There's a small fee that helps to prove the commitment. Stops people joining up purely for the purposes of self-promotion, because we don't want them. And it helps pay the server and development costs to make the Songwriter Circle challenge better and better every time we run it. But what it'll do for you is it will help you get down to completing something. It'll help you get down to the job of songwriting every day for a month. Have you ever done that before? I did it once. I went by accident. I suddenly found myself on a 4 or 5 day trip abroad by myself. So I thought, well, I can't do what I was originally planning to do, so I'm going to dedicate this time to songwriting instead. I came back with a bunch of about 20 songs. About 8 or 10 of which have made it into my general repertoire now. That was a real aha moment for me. You know, you can do this stuff if you set your mind to it. And you can't rely on an accident just happening though, so it's good to make the commitment and join something where you can do it socially with a small group of other people, like in the Songwriter Circle Challenge course. So that's enough from me. What will happen in the challenges, there's a little There might be a little video or some instructions, an example to inspire or follow. And as people send in their little snippets of bits of lyrics or recordings, if you can do that, as people send them in, they can be socially critiqued as well amongst a small private group. That's another thing that we'll be able to do this year more effectively. So it'd be good to see you on the course. Just find the button, sign up, and we'll be ready to roll. See you soon. It's Andy Roberts for the Songwriters Circle, signing off. See ya.